I've made well over hundreds of thousands, even millions, ever since I started learning how to code about 3 years ago and building websites, even before I found out about forex trading back in 2022. And I've been able to make this amount of money consistently without having a physical 9 to 5 job or having even a remote job, and not even the regular stressful freelancing way on Fiverr or Upwork. But most importantly, this consistent stream of income has helped me take my trading to the next level, because I'm able to easily fund my trading accounts, buy multiple Firm accounts, and it has also extremely helped my trading psychology, because I don't need to worry about losing money on a particular small account or trying to flip it because it's my last card, because I know this steady stream of income will always give me enough funds to put back into the account during the learning process. So in this video, if you stick around to the end, I'll be giving you a very clean roadmap on how you can learn a skill just like coding and building websites, and also most importantly, how you can make money from it without burning your time with a 9 to 5 physical job or a remote job. People really glamorize remote jobs in tech, that oh, you'll be working from home, but trust me, they are very, very stressful, because you're not in the office with the company. They are always texting you, always checking up on you, and consuming most of your time. But now I'll be showing you how you can make money consistently from this skill without a remote job, without a physical job, or without struggling to find clients on Upwork, but instead a steady way where you can get gigs for yourself and also have enough time to build your business or build your long-term goals like forex trading or whatever business you have. Because this is what has honestly helped me take my trading to the next level, and also have enough time to make videos like this and build this YouTube channel to this point. I'm still growing, so if you want to support me, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also drop your comments about the topic of the video. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you can learn any skill and monetize it, but in this video we'll be focusing on coding and web development. So step one, if you have zero skills, zero knowledge, or you just found out about trading and thinking that trading is the way for you to make enough money, I'm going to actually bust your bubble right now, because while learning trading you need a source of income to fund your trading journey, or else you're going to spend a lot of time burning money. Sometimes you feel frustrated and feel like you want to give up just because you don't have enough money to fund your account. That's why people from the Western part of the world, they are able to easily fund their accounts. That's why they do way more better than people from countries like Nigeria, where the minimum wage is very low and they are struggling to fund their accounts and keep the trading journey going. So if you are just getting started, you might think the right and best way to go is to go to YouTube, or maybe go to Udemy and get some very expensive and very complex course that you might need to spend hours and hours and hours learning how to code. Well, I'm going to bust your bubble again. That is not the way to go if you want to make money quick from this and not want to struggle getting a remote job or a very white collar job that they require very high standard. What you want to do is very different. You want to learn this skill as fast as possible and start making money consistently as fast as possible as well. So you don't need to get a Udemy course or study some very long hours complex course. What you just need is to learn the basics of web development, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After learning the basics of this programming language, you are almost set. What you need to now move on to is called vibe coding. Yes, which is the act of using AI to code. But I'm not talking about using ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever. No, I'm talking about using complex AI models that can actually write an entire website code for you. Softwares like Trade.ai, Cursor, and Winsoft. And at the end of this video, I'll be taking out my time to practically show you how to vibe code with one of these softwares and actually build an entire website in less than 2 minutes. Yes, just with your basic knowledge and also the software for vibe coding. So stick around for that part. So now that you know how to build an entire website in a couple of minutes or some hours, depending on how complex the website is, you now need to learn how to actually earn from this, how to actually make money without struggling to get a remote job, a physical job, or struggling to get clients on Upwork. We'll be using the framework that Alex Hormozi uses, which is a framework that is very logical, and it is simply spending the first 4 hours of your day to let everybody know about your business, what you do, which is building websites. There's a very practical way you can do this, which is right now you watching this video, you might have 100 or even 1,000 contacts on your phone, and most of those contacts are on WhatsApp. You can simply go to WhatsApp and send out a message to every single person there, telling every single person there that you now build website, and you offering this service to 5 people for free. Do they know anybody that wants the service? You're not asking them if they want it, but you're asking them if they know anyone that wants it. This opens you up to more opportunities, and trust me, within the first 48 hours you get 5 people who you can build websites for free. Yes, you have to do this for free in the first place because you are just starting out, and even though you do something terrible, there's no issue because the person actually didn't pay you. But if you do something great, the person might even want to pay you out of goodwill, but most importantly is going to refer you to somebody else that will pay you. So this is how your journey actually starts. After getting referred, you get another referral, just like that. It might sound crazy or simple, but this is actually what has worked for me. Next, you have to also attend events, meet people physically. People underestimate the power of meeting people physically. If you step out of your room, if you stay in your room all day, you don't expect to make money. So if you step out of your room, not just because you are going to meet clients, but if you attend events like tech events, maybe developers first, meet people, get in contact with those people, get their contact, tell them about your business, or you don't even have to tell them. Just constantly spend the first few hours of your day uploading on all your social medias that this is what you do, and trust me, you'll be getting clients weekly, consistently. Teach people this. If you want to take this up to the next level, and you your hands and also get somebody who is a digital marketer that can easily get clients for you, maybe by running ads or organically, and this will fetch you money consistently every single week, just like me. So let me show you how you can actually vibe code and build an entire website within just 2 minutes.
So to build a website under 2 minutes with just AI, it's very simple. As I said, you are not going to use ChatGPT to build this, but you need ChatGPT to be able to create a prompt for you. So for example, for me now, I'm making this video. I just told ChatGPT that I'm making a YouTube video and where I test different AI models, and I need you to give me a prompt to prompt the AI to build a website for me. Here's the prompt I wrote. Very simple. But in your case, a client might ask you to build an interior design website. So you come to ChatGPT and say, give me a prompt for me to give an AI model to build a very, very nice looking interior design website. So ChatGPT will give you a prompt, something like this. Then this prompt is where you are going to take it to the special AI for coding specifically. So there are different AIs that are very good in coding specifically. For me, when building the website, I first test out 2 or 3 of these AIs. The one that gives me the first response that is looking very nice, I'm going to pick that one. So first of all, I like going to Gemini. First of all, you go to gemini.google.com, then you come over to this section and make sure you are using Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is reasoning, math and code, the best for reasoning, math and code. Then take the prompt that ChatGPT gave you and paste it here. Build a fully responsive website. It should be called Lockspace. The site should look very real world, commercial website with elegant animation, smooth scrolling, beautiful background, so many other things. So you just click on go. So we just have to wait for it to finish generating. So once it's done generating the code, you just have to copy it, then take it to your code editor. It can be VS Code, or for me, I'm using Trade.ai as my code editor. I'm telling you why I use Trade.ai later on. So you already know what a code editor is because you have gone through the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which will be in the description below. It's a free course that you can go to finish within 2 hours, or if you don't have time, it can take you a week. You can just watch like 30 minutes a day and you'll be able to finish the entire course. Learn the basics, just the basics. Don't go for some expensive Udemy course or some long hours course on YouTube. So I've saved the code that Gemini generated, and I'm going to go to my web browser. This is the website Gemini built for us. As you can see, it's very, very stunning, very clean website with just one prompt. It even got images from the web, make them interactive, and they are all related to interior design. Even got customer reviews. You can come here and with the basic knowledge of HTML, you can edit the customer reviews yourself. Very simple. And also you can just, if for example the client wants to add some extra things on the website, you can simply go to Gemini and prompt it to add some extra things that the clients want.
So we're now going to carry the same prompt that we gave to Gemini and we'll go and put it in Grok. Let's see who generates a better website. So whichever AI generates a better website at the first try, it will be the one that will use to add the rest features that the client is requesting. This is the proper way I do it. So Grok, which is Twitter's special AI, just finished generating his own. To access Grok, you simply have to go to x.com/i/Grok, or you just go to x.com and click on Grok. It's free to use. So let's take it over to our VS Code or any code editor and test it out. So this is the website that was generated by Grok. As you can see, for me, I feel like I even prefer the one that was generated by Gemini. For this, it looks really plain. There are not much animations. The project only one image is showing. The rest image is not showing. They are not showing. And this is the one for Gemini. So you can see Gemini, since it's an interior design website, obviously we have to show the interior of a house, but the one Grok generated is only showed the exterior of a house. But I still prefer this one generated by Gemini 2.5 Pro. As you can see, it shows different interiors. The client side also has images of clients testimonials and the rest. So the next step for you is just to go on to prompt the AI to add maybe another page or any other thing you want, and you just basically add it. But if you don't want to go through the process of prompting the AI, copying the code, taking it to VS Code, you can simply go to trade.ai. Then you download the software. Once you download Trade.ai software, it will open up just like VS Code, and you can prompt directly in your VS Code, directly in Trade.ai, which has the same interface as VS Code. You can even copy all your VS Code settings into Trade.ai. Then you also have access to Gemini 2.5 Pro. You have access to ChatGPT. You have access to Claude 4 Sonnet, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. These are also other AI models that you can test when generating a website. So if you decide to use Trade just like I do, I will just simply come here instead of going to Gemini or Grok website, and I will try out Claude 3 Sonnet with the same prompt. Then I'll also try out Gemini 2.5 Pro with the same prompt and see which one works best. Then I can continue editing directly from my VS Code. I just have to prompt it here. You can also add images. You can tag files, specific folders, and even specific websites. Maybe you want to give reference. So this basically just transforms your entire website game, and you can easily build a website in just 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It doesn't even take more than a day. That is the whole essence of this, and you can easily get gigs just like how I show you. Then you get paid from it. If you want proper guidance as well on, maybe you don't want to go through the free basics course, you want me to guide you personally and mentor you on the web development, I can take out my time to do that for you for a small fee. You just have to send me a DM. My WhatsApp number on the screen or in the description. So if you have any other questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. And specifically, if you got far to the end of this video, just write in the comment section, thanks to Vibe Coding. Write it in the comment section so I know you made it this far to the video. So make sure to subscribe to this channel because I make content surrounding forex, tech, and self-improvement. So I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Peace.